Okay, distinguished colleagues, it's my pleasure to have opportunity to inform you about our activity in space technology. Sorry. Some words about Samara city. I represent here UNISEC-Samara. Samara city is often named like informal Russian space capital because all rocket carriers are used, designed and produced in my city, about 2,000 rocket carriers, and a lot of spacecraft for remote sensing, about 1,000, designed and produced in my city too. Here you can see the location of my native city. Samara is located in the central center of European part of Russian Federation, not far from Moscow, only 1,000 kilometers. Here you can see a picture from space on very nice area. This is, you can see, city. This is power station, and it is a river, Volga River, well-known river, and internal area is national park. And this is the landmark of my city, rocket carrier Soyuz. Okay. The content of my presentation. I would like to inform you about main areas of activity. First, organization and implementation of Samara Space School, future space technologies and experiments in space. Developing of space technologies and carrying out experiments in space on the base of nanosatellites, and participation in conferences, symposiums, congresses. Some information about Summer Space School. The motto of this school is from mission idea to nanosatellite project. This year was held 18th Summer Space School. Up to this year, we had 500 foreign students from more than 45 countries. The traditional duration of Summer Space School, 2 weeks. First 2 week theoretical part of school, and second week classes and laboratory work. Students can have nice opportunity for hands-on experience. Classes held in the departments, testing laboratories and flight control center, team project development supervised by the engineers of my department, concept development of a real nanosatellite mission, and concludes with the project defense presented to a commission of experts. It is final part of each Summer Space School. Additional opportunities: visit the space capital of Russia during a great weather time, summertime. Enjoy excursion to famous touristic places, space and technology museums, and meet people from all over the world and establish international cooperation. Here you can see some pictures which illustrated different parts of this school and my city. This year was held in June 1729, 18th Summer Space School. You can see this school organized by my university, Volga branch of Russian Academy of Cosmonautics, and supported from United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, Space University Administrative Committee of the International Astronautical Federation, and UNISEC-Samara. The school was attended by 29 participants from 9 countries. Not many countries, but it's rather good, by my opinion, result. Bolivia, Brazil, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Mexico, Myanmar, Pakistan, Peru. You can see here, you can see some topics covered during theoretical and practical classes. Problems of the motion control and navigation of small spacecraft, orbital mechanics and mission analysis, methods and algorithms for nanosatellite attitude determination, software development for nanosatellite microcontrollers. Participants this summer space school were divided in 2 groups and developed 2 mission concepts. First mission, 6-unit CubeSat for remote sensing in the optical spectrum, and constellation of spherical satellites to study the upper layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Besides it, students had the opportunity to conduct a communication session with the department satellite at our ground-based Mission Control Center, visit the Rocket Engine Center at Samara University, assemble nanosatellite subsystems using our real engineering model, and visit in the Technical Open Air Museum in the city of Tольятти, traveling there by boat along the beautiful Volga River. Next year, we will carry out 19th Summer Space School. It will take place on June 23 till July 4th. This school will honor key milestones in space exploration, like 60 years since the first human spacewalk. Leonov, Evgeny Leonov. 50 years since the first international docking program Soyuz Apollo, and 50 years since the first photos of Venus surface. Registration forms are accepted until the 28th of February. If you're interested, you can give information by visiting this site, and you can connect with our assistant by this email. Second way, developing of space technologies and carrying out experiments on the base of nanosatellites. Last year, we launched our nanosatellite SAM-30 on 27 June from Vostochny Cosmodrome. You can see this picture of this nanosatellite. Here you can see orbital parameters. Orbit was sun-synchronous. And here you can see view or picture of in working position my satellite. We had we have three scientific equipment, scientific magnetometer, plasma parameter sensor, and GLONASS 2 frequencies navigation receiver for space application. By the way, all on-board system construction, full design, produce of all system tested was realized at my department in Samara University. Here you can see picture from this launch. Here you can see Космодром Восточный, place of Космодром Восточный. And I can demonstrate moving separation our nanosatellite from booster frigate. Sorry. This year, November 5, we launch next nanosatellite, SAMSAT ionosphere. It is a twin of SAMSAT, and we have the group of nanosatellite or maybe constellation for study ionosphere and magnetosphere. And our plan next year launch nanosatellite SAMSAT Orion for study ionosphere 2, but other principle transparency. We use radio transparency of a low ionosphere by spatial transmitter on 2 frequencies, 140 and 400 megahertz. We place a very cheap camera on board of this nanosatellite, SAMSAT ionosphere, and you can see picture from the orbit. We place this camera for control deployer of antenna. You can see antenna. This is original image. This is edited image. And we have made georeferencing of image to map of Earth. And it is very interesting. This is our picture, which plays on the map. And you can see the picture between rivers, Tigr and Euphrates, Syria and Iraq. This is area which join Syria and Iraq countries. Third way, participation in conference, symposiums, and congresses. Students, foreign students, which learning at my department, take part in different conferences. And the group of students, you can see on the left picture, took part in Congress IAC in Dubai in 2023. This is picture with General Director of Roscosmos, Yuri Borisov. And this is group of students which participated in IAC in Milan. I would like to say that students, foreign students, which come to our university are very clever and want to stay very good specialists in space technology. And I try to do it. And in conclusion, I would like to thank you for your attention. First, I would like to wish you be happy and be healthy in next 2025. And welcome, Samara. We are very glad to see you. And the next year we carry out symposium, Russian symposium, with international participation on nanosatellite. It is 6th symposium, and it will be carried out from 1st till 3 July, and you can take part in this event too. Thank you once more.